to my channel. If you have not liked and subscribed the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. This is the place where you can learn Microsoft Intune, anything related to the mobile operating system, Windows, Mac, Linux or Chrome. So it's one place where you can learn and become a mobile device management expert. Okay, today in this video I am going to share you how you can block or hide and prevent the launch of DeepSeek AI assistant application. I have already made another video how you can identify the bundle ID of the DeepSeek applications. You know DeepSeek. If you are new, if you don't know about the DeepSeek, I'm sure being as a mobile space, you must be aware, or being as a technological field, you must be aware about what is the DeepSeek. DeepSeek is similar to chatgpt. It's a new AI assistant application which is being used in, I mean not being used, which is made by the China, right? So it's a new chatgpt similar kind of AI assistance application. So it has been launched in China, and it's available in Apple Store and Google Play Store. So some company, so why I'm making this video here? So being as a mobile device administrator, you have to conscious about how your corporate data being exposed from how your corporate data access must be secure within your environment, and it should not be exposed to the open internet like through ChatGPT or DeepSeek or any other Copilot or any other applications like AI application. Now AI is everywhere. It's already most of the application it's already integrated. So in this video I will be provide guidance, being as a Intune administrator, what you need to do and take precautions to block and hide the DeepSeek applications, because there are many. I heard there is many the government, right, like Australian government Department of Home Affairs, or the South Korea, they have provided some guidelines to regarding the DeepSeek AI assistant, and their about the how you can use in your mobile devices or through websites as well, right? So let's get started, right? The first thing, the pre-requirement is like how to identify the bundle ID of the DeepSeek application, right? So you just simply go to the Google and type DeepSeek. However, I have already made video how you can identify the bundle ID of DeepSeek applications. So I'm just taking example of, if you copy the URL, okay, and go to the notepad, okay, and click it here, and if you paste it here, you see, and you see the ID com.deepseek.chat. So I have already mentioned here com.deepseek.chat. This is the bundle ID for Google Play Store and App Store. Okay, so you can find it. If you don't know how to find the bundle ID, you can always go and refer and how to find for iOS for iOS applications as well. Okay, so now this is the pre-requirement, right? If you want to block or hide anything from the Microsoft Intune portal or to your mobile devices. However, if you log in into the Microsoft Intune portal, if you go to the home screen, and you will see there is if you click on this is the blogs, if you are Intune administrator, you will see this article. I will not go through the article. You can read this article about this DeepSeek application. So let's get started, and in practically how you can block and prevent the launch of DeepSeek AI assistant applications. First one, for the iOS supervised devices. So if you don't know what is a supervised or unsupervised, you must search on your in my YouTube channel, and you'll see what is the difference between supervised iOS devices or unsupervised devices. So first we'll start with the supervised devices. So if the device has been purchased through Apple Business Manager or enroll through in Apple device enrollment program, the devices will become supervised, and supervision will enable you to enable the extra additional security or disable this anything beyond that the which unsupervised mode or normal users can't do. So it's just enabling. When you supervise the devices, it's just enabling the extra layer of security for admin to enable and disable certain feature on iOS devices. So I am assuming that you have a supervised devices if it's company owned devices. So on supervised devices, the most effective way to block the app, the DeepSeek application, AI apps, right? So what you have to do, you have to go to the devices, because since we are talking about devices, and you have to select the iOS from the left hand side. And if you go to the configurations, because we are just talking about configurations, and if you go to here, create new policy, if you already have any configurations policy, you can modify in that policy as well. But here you have to select the setting catalogs if you are first time creating, and you can give name here, what you will name. So you can give any name, whatever you want to hide or what. So I am just giving the name block DeepSeek AI mobile app on supervised devices. Okay, I'm just doing for the supervised iOS devices. You can give any name, whatever you want to do. Select the settings, okay, and then search for the blocked app. What is blocked app? Okay, you'll see the restrictions here, and you see the blocked app bundle ID, right? What you do, you have to search for the blocked apps and click on restrictions, and you'll see the blocked app bundle ID. Okay, or you can directly search block app bundle ID here. So that will, if you put bundle ID, and it will come here, and then you can click on close. Now what is this one? You see here, configure the restrictions payload to enable and disable feature on the devices. This configuration can be used. I'm not reading, you can always read. I'm just reading for few lines here. These configurations, so that you can understand, this configuration can be used to prevent users from accessing specific applications and functions on enrolled devices. So what you have to do, you have the bundle ID as I mentioned, right? So you need to put the bundle ID here. So what you have to do here, you have to just copy the bundle ID, which you can fetch from the Google website, paste it here, and similar for any other application, you can put it there. So once you put the bundle ID here, you can click next, and if you have any scope, you can define the scope, click next, and you can apply to all users, groups or devices based on your requirement. So I'm just applying for all the devices, and you see here, and if you just hover, you will see if this application is present, then it will prevent, right? Then this policy has the ability to hide and prevent the launch of a specific application which I have listed here, and it's only available for the supervised devices. Unsupervised devices, like including personal devices, can't use this option. So you see here, So if you add any bundle ID here, this will prevent your users to launch the application. It will actually hide the application. So you just create, and if you have applications installed on the supervised devices, it will, if you try to launch on your device, it will not launch. Actually it will get closed, and it will hide in face. You can't even see the application. Okay, the next thing is what, how you can uninstall it. Maybe you're thinking about, okay, I mean, being as a precautionary, right? You have blocked, you have hidden, you have hidden, and you have uninstalled the application. Now, how to uninstall the DeepSeek application? So now, at least you can know from this video that how you can hide and prevent the launch of the DeepSeek application. In the next video, I will show you how you can, if somebody has installed, if any user has already installed the DeepSeek applications from Apple App Store, how you can remove them and install them through Microsoft Intune. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and keep watching for more information. Till then, thank you. Have a good day.